Happy Friday, everyone. It's weather for Weather Geeks time. Before we get to our local weather, I wanted to give you a quick look at the radar out of Bermuda. Trouble in paradise today as Gonzalo is making its approach right now, and conditions are deteriorating. Bermuda, right in the middle of the screen here, right in the middle of the radar image. And here's the center. You can clearly see the eye southwest of the island. It continues to move generally off to the north, and the eye wall of Gonzalo is going to get very close and perhaps even cross over the island of Bermuda before the day is through. So there's going to be widespread damage and devastation as a result. Hopefully, the vast majority of people were able to evacuate the island, but we will see how things look tomorrow. Once the sun comes up tomorrow, be able to assess what damage occurred today and tonight over in the island of Bermuda. Usually a fantastic vacation resort. It's a tiny little island. The odds of a tiny little island like that taking a direct hit, we're talking, in the eye wall of a hurricane, the odds are low. That doesn't happen very often. There's just not much real estate for something to hit directly, but unfortunately, that's going to be the case with Gonzalo. All right, today's not a bad day across eastern Ohio and western PA. We've had kind of a mackerel sky or a mix of sun and clouds so far. Temperatures, throw those up and actually stop the loop here so that everything loads a little faster. Temperatures have gotten to 60 or a little higher as of about 5 minutes till 2 this afternoon. We'll probably end up around 63, 64 in most spots. It's already in the middle and upper 60s. Beautiful day today in Cincinnati, Columbus, and in Zanesville. Boy, I hope you can enjoy whatever sunshine we have for the rest of the day today. Hope you can enjoy the relative warmth because we've got big-time changes coming our way. Those changes are the responsibility of a cold front, which, take off the satellite, that cold front is out here. You can see the air behind it is in the 40s, even 30s in some spots up in Canada. This air mass will continue diving south and east over the next 24 hours, and it's going to be a pretty dramatic change, a good 15 to 17 degrees cooler at this time tomorrow. Clouds, gusty breeze, some showers as well. We'll show you the models in just a second. But a quick overview across the country. Boy, it's dead quiet on the radar this afternoon. Let me take off the temperatures here. This is the radar. I mean, there's hardly any precipitation anywhere. A little bit up in the northwest, a couple of showers in Arizona, a couple of showers with our front up in the UP of Michigan and into Wisconsin, and then some rain up in Maine. But boy, what a quiet weather map this is across the lower 48 states today. All right, let's talk about these showers that are coming our way. We're going to be in good shape for high school football this evening. I guess there might be a sprinkle in a couple of spots. That'll be about it. The bigger concern is, of course, our showers tomorrow. A lot of people need to rake leaves now. The leaves are coming down hot and heavy, and tomorrow is not going to be a great day to rake. The breeze, the clouds, the chilly temperatures, and yes, some rain. Here's the simulated radar on the NAM model tomorrow at about mid-morning, roughly 10, 11 a.m. here. And what you can deduce from this is there's going to be a scattering of showers around. It may not be raining in your backyard at 10 or 11, but in some backyards it will be. Skipping ahead to about 1 p.m., same idea, hit or miss type showers. Your neighbor might get a shower, but you might not. This is going to be kind of the way it goes tomorrow with the cool air descending across the Great Lakes. Later in the afternoon, in time for the YSU game, it's homecoming, and not a great day tomorrow. And, I think the showers even become a little more numerous late in the day. This is at, this would be 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and this batch of showers depicted on the model out here in northwest Ohio will continue pushing south and east, so that by 8 o'clock, it'll, be affecting a lot of southeast Ohio, central Ohio. Now, if we get lucky, this will be as depicted here. This band of steadier rain will miss us to the south and east. Not sure if I trust that yet, but somewhere in eastern and southern Ohio, it's going to be a steadier period of rain late in the day tomorrow. So, a very chilly day coming up for tomorrow. I'll quickly throw on the temperatures here for mid-afternoon tomorrow. Now you're not gonna see numbers on here, but you can see the legend over here on the left, and I'll back up to mid-afternoon. So middle of the afternoon, you think it's the warmest part of the day, and look at the blues, and the legend over here shows that blues, we're somewhere probably between 40 and 50, probably around 46, 47 mid-afternoon tomorrow. So yeah, big change is coming our way as we kick off the weekend. Well, what about the rest of the weekend? I think we can salvage Sunday. Sunday can start with a lot of clouds and perhaps even a shower, especially north of Youngstown, a little lake effect, finger or two of rain maybe around. And as we get into the afternoon, clouds should part for some sun. Center of high pressure by the end of the day will be over Cincinnati. So Sunday ends with some sun, but we're probably in the 40s again on Sunday afternoon. Well, enjoy Sunday. That's your day to rake, because Monday, here comes another band of showers for the afternoon and evening. The showers may linger into midweek. Then what happens is this low is going to come across and then just sort of park on the East Coast. And it's going to keep throwing bands of moisture back west. Now, a lot of these will be from Pittsburgh east, but still, Tuesday into Tuesday night, some showers around. Wednesday, especially Pittsburgh east, some showers, and maybe even there's a shower or two that sneaks back into eastern parts of Ohio on Wednesday. Nasty looking start to the week on the East Coast, rainy and windy and chilly. We're going to hang on to this pattern, it looks like, through the end of next week. The East Coast is chilly and windy. We're in kind of a mixed bag of clouds and sun probably towards the end of next week as that moisture continues spilling back west from that East Coast low. We'll wrap things up today with long-range temperatures. I'm showing you a chart showing the temperature anomalies, the difference from average, expected over the next 16 days according to the GFS. Global Forecast System is what GFS stands for, the ensemble model. Here's our dip below average for the next few days. As we head into the middle of next week and into the latter portions of next week, it's going to be a few degrees below average, I think. Most days and averages next week are 60-ish. So, we're going to have a lot of days where the highs are between, say, 55 and 59 during the tail end of next week. Below average, but not really cold. As we head beyond that and towards the last several days of the month, I think the model's probably being a little bit conservative here. I do think there'll be a decent warming trend looking like this. Towards the latter few days of October, heading towards Halloween, we might squeeze in some days where it gets into the mid-60s. A little too early to give you exact numbers, but I suspect the model's looking a little too cool here at the end of October. Well, that's my Weather for Weather Geeks video on this Friday. I'll see you tonight on 21 News at 6 and 11, and if you're an early riser tomorrow morning, you will see me on WFMJ Weekend Today doing the weather tomorrow morning for Andrew, who has the weekend off. So look forward to seeing you tonight. Look forward to seeing you first thing tomorrow morning, and otherwise have a great weekend.